You see, when pee leaks happen, it's because your bladder muscle starts to involuntarily contract and let urine out. Even though these aren't spasms you can feel, you know that they're happening because you can't keep your pee in. One might wonder, why does my bladder spasm? Well, it all comes down to something called the urinary microbiome. Now, maybe you've heard about the gut microbiome before, which is the entire ecosystem of bacteria living inside your gut, and why a lot of people today know how crucial this microbiome is for your health. What scientists and experts have only recently realized is that there's a whole universe of good and bad bacteria living inside your urinary tract too. And you guessed it, that's your urinary microbiome. A new, powerful research study from Harvard Medical School actually proves, without a doubt, that just like how your gut bacteria can become unbalanced and lead to a variety of health issues, the bacteria in your urinary microbiome can get knocked out of balance too. And when that happens, it actually leads to the pee leaks and other pelvic floor issues that so many of us women have as we reach our 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. See, it's right there in the title, the association between the urinary microbiome and urinary incontinence in women. And if you're currently dealing with pee leaks or any bladder issues, this is what is most likely happening in your urinary tract right now. Any unusual smells or discharge or vaginal irritation, that's also a clear sign that your microbiome is in danger. Now, just as in your gut, you have good and bad vaginal bacteria. Normally, the good bacteria should help you function and keep everything healthy and clean while fighting off the bad bacteria. However, when something happens that makes the good bacteria in your urinary tract start to die off, several types of bad bacteria begin to spread and multiply throughout your bladder, urinary tract, or vagina, colonizing the intimate areas. And according to both the scientists at Harvard and researchers at Duke University, who just published a major study looking into this in late October 2023, one of the first things these bad bacteria do once they've spread through your urinary tract is to irritate, pinch, and inflame the key muscle that controls the bladder. This causes this bladder control muscle to involuntarily spasm and contract when it normally wouldn't, which in turn causes you to lose control of your urine. Just think about how the muscles in your arms or legs immediately twitch if you get a sudden itch or if a mosquito bites you. It's the same. There's a ton of research emerging about the role bad bacteria plays in all of our bladder and pelvic floor issues. Cutting-edge clinical studies have been conducted at Loyola University's Stritch School of Medicine, Brown University's Alpert Medical School, and the esteemed Division of Pelvic Medicine and Reconstructive Surgery at the University of California, San Diego, all proving that the overgrowth of bad bacteria in your urinary tract and bladder is causing the uncontrollable pee leaks and sudden urges to go to the bathroom. But you know what? Forget about all these complicated studies. If you want to see direct proof that a poor urinary microbiome is making you pee more, then take this test. Sip a Diet Coke and watch how often you run to the bathroom in the next hour. That's because the acidity in the Diet Coke temporarily lowers the urinary pH, directly irritates the urothelium, and messes with the bacteria in your bladder. In short, your bladder isn't broken. Your urinary microbiome might just be off. That's why Kegel exercises are not enough for women like Amanda. They do not stop the bad bacteria from irritating the bladder muscles and causing them to involuntarily spasm. Same with the over-the-counter drugs for urinary incontinence. They do not help rebuild the good bacteria for your urinary microbiome to thrive. You might wonder why the good bacteria in your urinary tract would die off in the first place. While things like hormonal changes, antibiotics, perimenopause, menopause, or even eating and drinking habits can all play a role, the biggest culprit that affects all women, no matter their condition or age, is by far the most shocking: the tampons, pads, and panty liners that almost every woman on the planet has used thousands of times. While we might think of these essential feminine helpers as being completely harmless, the truth is most of them are soaked in all kinds of microbiome-disrupting chemicals and filled with a class of chemicals called dioxins. Dioxins are a byproduct of the bleaching process companies use to make their tampons, pads, and diapers appear extra white and clean. Imagine your vaginal and urinary microbiome are like a garden, and you're pouring bleach on it. Time magazine even wrote a revealing exposé on these chemicals recently. The World Health Organization now categorizes dioxins as a highly toxic human carcinogen. And today, more and more scientists and medical doctors, like Dr. Amy Zota at George Washington University and Dr. Philip Tierno at NYU, have been publishing research conclusively proving that as you use tampons and pads over time, these dioxins are absorbed into your vagina, climb the walls of your urethra, and then spread through your bladder, wiping out the good bacteria in your urinary microbiome and creating the perfect environment for the bad bacteria that cause those sudden, involuntary contractions in your bladder to run rampant, which in turn leads to uncontrollable pee leaks, frequent urges to urinate, and even UTIs. This can be true for women who are menopausal or postmenopausal too. Even if you don't use tampons or pads anymore, the years or even decades of exposure to these bladder-wrecking chemicals has created a breeding ground for this bad bacteria. And the good bacteria that's supposed to make sure your bladder functions normally and keep everything clean has been wiped away. That can also be why so many women experience more frequent pee leaks as they get older. You may think it's just a natural part of aging, but really, it's years and years of these chemicals wiping out most of the good bacteria in your vagina, urinary tract, and bladder. Add to that things like antibiotics, stress, poor sleep, and hormonal changes caused by a C-section or menopause, and you have the perfect storm. And if nothing is done, the bad bacteria will only continue to grow and make these problems worse. This is really shocking, especially since everyone from leading medical doctors to the FDA to big social media influencers are all sounding the alarm on what's happening. Yet the media and news rarely mention any of this. Maybe it's because feminine care is a $22 billion per year industry run by a handful of mega corporations that care more about their profits than your actual health. Thankfully, you can buy only 100% organic cotton tampons and pads from brands like Rayon or Cora. That will at least stop more dioxins from entering your urinary tract. It won't, however, solve the underlying bacteria problem. So the question that comes up, is there any way to get rid of that bad bacteria, rebuild the urinary microbiome, and stop the uncontrollable spasms? And the answer is yes. There's a simple way to quickly and easily get rid of the bad bacteria that are currently holding your urinary tract hostage, rebuild the good, healthy bacteria inside your vagina, bladder, and urinary tract while strengthening your bladder muscles at the same time. It takes all of 7 seconds to do, and it's something that gets to the bottom of both leakage and an overactive bladder, which means once you start using this bladder reset protocol, you'll never again experience the uncomfortable surprise of an unexpected trickle running down your thighs. You'll drastically reduce your risk of UTIs, and you'll be amazed by how much fresher and healthier you feel, starting pretty much immediately. So what is this bladder reset protocol? Let's see what this ultimate protocol contains and why it works so incredibly well. It has 3 simple steps that anyone can do, and I'll show you how. Step 1, clear out the bad bacteria and toxins from your urinary tract and calm down your bladder muscle. This purple flower is one of the most effective natural cleansers known to science. I'm talking about Mimosa pudica, sometimes called the humble plant for the way it bows when touched. However, don't get fooled, as this plant has been successfully used to treat venomous snake bites. Its seeds turn to a gel-like substance that binds to and traps bad bacteria, toxins, yeast, and parasites for elimination. After removing bad bacteria and toxic load, Mimosa pudica calms and soothes the bladder muscles, urethra, and vaginal walls, and eases burning and irritation during urination. This will stop the bladder muscle spasms and make you forget about urgency and discomfort. You'll have fewer gotta-go moments, you'll be able to wear what you want, and grocery trips won't need pit stops, and you'll get more relaxed time with your friends and family. However, for Mimosa pudica seeds to truly work their magic, they must be harvested at a precise stage of maturity and processed without heat, something that almost no supplement on the market actually does. So don't go buying any generic supplements that you might be wasting your money on, especially since Mimosa pudica truly unleashes its full cleansing force when paired with organic bearberry extract and heritage cranberry extract. Organic bearberry extract speeds up the flushing of the bad bacteria and toxins that Mimosa pudica eliminated. This will turbocharge your results and help you regain control of your bladder faster. At the same time, heritage cranberry extract will prevent any other toxins or damaging bacteria from sticking to the walls of your bladder. Notice the word heritage before the cranberry extract. Not all cranberry extracts are the same. Heritage cranberry extract refers to older, truly potent wild strains that contain the highest amounts of healing compounds. Now, after you've cleared out the bad bacteria from your urinary tract, it's time for step 2. Rebuild, replenish, and rejuvenate your urinary microbiome. Here's when the mix of unique probiotic strains comes to rebuild the community of good bacteria in your bladder. Now, not all probiotics suit your urinary microbiome. Just like you cannot take the same pill for a toothache and bad digestion. Your bladder needs a special type, and these ones are remarkable. Unlike the store-bought strains that are mostly dead due to poor packaging, these are live probiotics, strong enough to rejuvenate your bladder microbiome. The first probiotic, called Lactobacillus crispatus, is believed to be the true superhero strain because it has the unique ability to clear out the 2 worst types of bad bacteria that are irritating your bladder muscles, Gardnerella and S. aeruginosus. Once the very last one of these stubborn bacteria is gone, L. crispatus stabilizes the microbiome and reduces inflammation, thereby calming the bladder and stopping the muscle spasms. Moreover, according to a key study published by the highly respected journal Pathogens, it strengthens your pelvic muscles too. This means you'll be able to lift your shopping bags or run down the stairs while staying in complete control of your bladder. The next probiotic, Lactobacillus gasseri, helps your urinary microbiome achieve its natural balance and kickstarts its rejuvenation. In one cutting-edge study conducted at the Laboratory of Food Science and Technology at Jiangnan University, scientists found that this strain reduced the frequency of pee leaks in women who participated in the study by 86%. And to make it even more impressive, it also helps significantly reduce bad odors. Next, we have Lactobacillus plantarum, a probiotic that has the unique ability to adhere to the inner lining of your bladder and create a protective barrier against any future bad bacteria in order to block them from causing those uncontrollable bladder contractions. And because this protocol was created to go beyond urinary health and protect you against UTIs and vaginal infections as well, Lactobacillus casei was added into the mix. This strain is especially effective when it comes to destroying Candida, a type of fungal yeast that's behind many of our most common vaginal infections. Just check out these 2 side-by-side images. These are from a major 2021 study done by a team of 7 world-renowned bacteriologists in Brazil. Do you see those large, dark tubes that are all over the place in the image on the left that's labeled C? Well, that's vaginal Candida right there. Meanwhile, do you see how there are way fewer of those tube-like structures in the image on the right, labeled D, and how they appear to be almost fading away? Well, you're looking at the exact same sample of vaginal Candida, and if the difference looked dramatic, it should, because the researchers found that this specific strain of Lactobacillus casei destroyed 95.6% of all vaginal Candida in just 24 hours. These women were suffering from painful, burning, and smelly vaginal infections at the time, and just a tiny dose of L. casei completely fixed the problem in a single day. This took away their pain and discomfort so they could get on with their day, meet their friends, or cuddle on the couch with their partners. Isn't that simply amazing? Now, to round out the list of unique and powerful probiotic strains, I need to tell you about a special probiotic strain called Lactobacillus acidophilus. This probiotic is a really big deal because everyone from scientists at Harvard to world-famous microbiologists in Amsterdam agree that this is one of the most important probiotic strains for women, as it can fix the damage and restore order after major events in a woman's life. It restores the vaginal and urinary microbiome after antibiotics, infections, or hormonal changes caused by perimenopause, menopause, stress, or birth control. Helps with vaginal dryness, blocks E. coli, the main cause of UTIs, from sticking to the urinary tract lining and flushes it out, all while stimulating the immune system to fight against bladder infections like cystitis. It's time to move on to the last step. Step 3. Make your bladder muscles extra strong and protect your urinary system from pee leaks well into old age. Last but not least, this is where granular berberine plays its part. This natural extract from rare plants strengthens the smooth muscle of your bladder as well as the blood vessels. It also reduces the contractions that cause pee leaks, which mean you will be able to hold in pee for longer and say goodbye to those night trips to the bathroom. Berberine also boosts the brain to bladder signaling, helping your nerves communicate more clearly so your muscles know exactly when to hold it or let it go. Considering brain and nerve cells weaken with age, this is essential as we get older. Now, just imagine all these ingredients working together to kick out every single toxin or bad bacteria, calming any irritation and inflammation, regenerating your urinary and vaginal microbiome, and rejuvenating your bladder muscles so they become firm and strong again, putting an end to these uncontrollable pee leaks while sheltering you from UTIs, infections, or bad smells. How much better would your life be? And wouldn't it be something you'd want to try?